Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Valorant not opening. So this one is kind of easy, you just need to follow the steps that we'll be showing you. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing you want to do here is we want to ensure that we have Valorant or any Riot services actually turned off or shut down in our PC. So just go ahead and open up Task Manager or just hit on your keyboard Ctrl-Shift-Escape to boot up Task Manager. Now from here in the processes, you need to look for Riot. So by the way, if you don't have this UI here, you might have the lesser details for Task Manager. So make sure that you click on more details here so that you'll get the same UI that I have right now. But yeah, going back, you want to look for Riot here and for any Valorant services. So for example, I have Riot Client here. Just make sure that you close this one. So end task. Go ahead and go to the very bottom and see if Valorant is open here. Now once you've closed that, you want to go to details now and you want to look for Valorant as well. Valorant and Riot services. So if you see the Riot here, make sure that you shut down that as well. But once done, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to your device manager. So from here, you want to go to Windows search and just type in the following, which is device manager. Here, open this up and you want to look for your display adapters here. Open your display adapters, right click on it. And from here, you want to go ahead and click on update driver and you want to search for automatically for drivers. Now from here, it's going to look for the best driver for your device or your display adapter here, and it's going to update your display adapter. But once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to try if that solves your issue for Valorant. So if that doesn't solve your issue, we have another way for you to fix this issue. Now what you need to do is you need to open up a Riot client here and you want to go to your profile, which is located at the top right, and you want to go to your settings. Now under settings, you want to look for Valorant and you want to click on repair. Now from here, it's going to repair your game. Wait for this to load up. But if your Valorant game here is up to date or it was recently updated, now what you need to do is you just need to close this one and see if there are any changes and whatnot. So another thing that you should take note here, sometimes when there are updates published on Riot games, sometimes a patch wouldn't work properly, so there might be problems on the back end or in the game itself. So you just need to wait for any announcements about Valorant not working. But yeah, so those are the steps that you could do to hopefully fix this issue. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.